Do you encounter problems on CapCut such as couldn't load, try again later? Well, in this video I'm going to show you a quick fix for the couldn't load, try again later problem on CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's get started by opening the CapCut app on your device. In here, I'm going to show you the first method on fixing the couldn't load, try again later problem. On the CapCut app, click on the upper right corner of your screen. This will take you to the settings page. On the settings page, scroll down and click on clear cache and click on the confirm button. This will allow you to clear the cache of your CapCut on your device. Now, if this method doesn't work with you, try out this second method that I'm going to show you. Long press the app and click on the I button. This will redirect you to the app setting of CapCut. Now in here, click on force stop to force stop the app on your device. Click on clear data if this doesn't work with you. In here, click on clear cache. Now if this method doesn't work for you as well, go ahead and uninstall the app and reinstall it on your device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.